Hi, my name is Lorraine Durzo. I'm a physical therapist in occupational medicine and an ergonomics specialist for workplace safety in Kaiser, Santa Rosa. Today I'm going to be showing you some exercises. They're fast and easy. You can definitely incorporate them into your workday with little to no equipment whatsoever. And if you're diligent about doing them at least 3 to 5 times a week, you will notice increased strength and flexibility. Not only will you feel better, you're going to look better too. But before we get started, if you have any concerns, if you have an injury or are under the care of a doctor, please get clearance from your doctor before you start these exercises or any other exercise program. So for these exercises, you're going to need some TheraBands. You can pick your TheraBand up at Workplace Safety. You'll notice there's 3 different colors. Yellow is the easiest, green in the middle, mid-resistance, and black is for those of you that feel like you really want a heavy-duty workout and you've been exercising for quite some time, because there's quite significant resistance with black. So to start off with yellow, and then slowly progress along. Several of the exercises require that the band be attached to something sturdy, like a doorknob. This is how you do it. You're going to go grab the center of the band and tie it in a knot to, in this case, the doorknob. Now, some of you might have discomfort grasping the band. To avoid discomfort, you can make little loops for your hands. Just make a little loop and tie a knot. And that allows you to be able to do the exercise without grasping. Notice you have just a gentle hook grasp. Your fingers are just barely grabbing onto the band. And it will avoid any discomfort in your elbow, forearm, or hand. Before we get started, we do have some guidelines for your safety. Exercise should be fun. It shouldn't hurt. So I want you to stay pain-free while you do these exercises. Keep in mind, there's a difference between fatigue and pain. After the 10th repetition, you should feel a little sore, a little tired, but not in pain. If it does start to hurt, stay shy of the pain. So if it hurts at end range of motion, don't go to end range. Stay shy of the pain. So for each exercise, I want you to try to do 3 sets of 8 to 12. And again, your goal is to feel tired by the 8th to 12th repetition. If you're not, you need to increase the resistance. And let's make a goal of trying to work out at least 3 to 5 times a week. If you do so, you'll notice significant changes in your body, how you look, and how you feel. And that's what it's all about, right? So I also want to give you some guidelines so you can stretch safely. 1, never ever bounce. When you do a stretch, hold it gently for 20 to 30 seconds. They've actually done studies that show that there's changes in the muscle fibers after a 20 to 30 second hold. So that should be your goal. However, if the muscle's really tight, listen to your body. Don't listen to my guidelines in that sense. So if you can only hold it for 10 seconds, that's fine. Gently work up to 20. Please don't crank on your muscle. Gently stretch.